If your Hisense TV is freezing, running slow, crashing, or you simply want to erase everything before selling it, this factory reset will restore it to its original settings in just a few minutes. First, grab your TV remote and open settings on your Hisense TV. Scroll down and select support. On the support menu, scroll down and choose reset to factory default. You will see a warning that resetting the TV will erase your personal settings, installed apps, and saved information. If you want to keep your account and your favorite channels, tick the option to save your account before continuing. For a complete factory reset, select Restore. A reset pane will appear. Enter the pin in the correct order to confirm the reset. Your Hisense TV will now restart automatically and return to its original factory settings, just like when it was brand new. Once the TV powers back on, simply go through the initial setup again. Choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and enjoy your fresh Hisense TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy Hisense TV tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you.